Yes. So the first thing to understand is that once you become a payment facilitator, you are becoming a payment company. And as a payment company, you are taking the risk of your merchants. So in a good scenarios, the merchants are processing payments, selling good services, good products, very little refunds and chargebacks and everything going well. But if something goes wrong, you're liable for those payments. So for example, if you decide to bring on board a merchant that cannot deliver the product, so they will get a lot of requests for refunds and chargebacks. They may not have the funds to pay you. You'll need to start collecting from them. That's a big risk. That's one example. And most importantly, the biggest fraud you can get is from merchant fraud. I know a lot of people think that credit card fraud is the biggest threat, and it is a threat, but it's a small percentage. You are trying to stop individuals that buying with fraudulent cards or then disputing the transactions, saying it's not them. This fraud exists, but it's very marginal. The biggest fraud you can get is when you work with the fraudulent merchants that knowingly or unknowingly selling goods and services and then disappears, and you're left with the liability of that merchant.